Everyone has a wrong mindset when it comes to investing money. They always think that they're going to put money in here and theoretically it's always going to go up.
Stupid.
The majority of the time when people get into investing, they actually lose money. And a lot of people are scared to lose, which I don't blame them for. The big thing is whenever you're going to invest any amount of money, whatever it is, whether it's $1, whether it's $1 million, you have to be completely okay with that money vanishing. And what I mean by okay is your lifestyle should not be affected. See, it becomes gambling when you need that money to live and to pay bills and to do normal things. It becomes very dangerous. You often fuck it up even more than you know because you have a lot of anxiety. See, I trade options. Options trading goes up and down. There's many times where the option goes down, 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 where I don't even think it's going to bounce back up. And sometimes it does. But I don't do it emotionally. I don't get emotional when it's going down. A lot of people, when things are going down, they quit, they sell, they liquidate. And when things are going up, what actually happens is they don't actually sell. They want to keep it there. They want to keep getting more. They don't know if it's the peak. So human beings are wired in a very bad way when it comes to selling and trading and really investing into money. We're actually not built for it. When things are going bad, we're supposed to evacuate. When things are going good, we want to stay longer. The reality is when things are going bad, it doesn't actually make sense to leave because you're already losing money and your option and your stock for whatever you bought it in can eventually equalize. And if you lose money, you lose money. And when things are going really good, that's when you actually start trimming off. You trim off profits. So most people, number one, trade with money that they are not supposed to be trading with because you need to be okay with losing this money and it shouldn't affect your lifestyle. Number two, most people do the opposite. They buy high and they sell low, when in fact, you're supposed to buy low and you're supposed to sell high. Most people don't succeed when it comes to trading because they have their whole mindset wired in emotion. And I love trading stocks. I like being involved in the markets because more than anything, it's taught me to become emotionally stable. It's taught me to become stoic. And I learned a lot of things from trading that I now apply to my day-to-day life. You have to be patient. When things are going bad, that's typically the best time to jump into things and to really understand that things are going to get really good. And oftentimes when things are going up, there is a potential of things going very bad, and you need to be okay with dealing with that. A lot of life is like a stock trade, okay? It's up and down and all around. Success is not linear. Your relationship is not linear. Your friends and family are going to have problems with you. One day you might be really good with them. One day you might be really bad. I wouldn't necessarily want it to be a day-to-day basis, but it could be like, 1 week you guys are not hanging out. The next week you're hanging out every single day. You've got to understand that life is about up and downs, but you have to be emotionally calm. Stock trading is bipolar. You have to be emotionally calm. The markets go up and down. You have to stay centered. And that's the biggest thing I can tell you when it comes to investing and really getting good at spending your money. The money that you should be investing should be the money that you set aside after your emergency fund, which is 3 months of your bills, and money that you're okay with letting go of. And before I would even get into dangerous investing like crypto and stuff, a lot of people preach this, I would get into conservative stocks, EFTs, things that are normal that will help you beat inflation and solidify your retirement. Most people just jump into crypto. What's a stock that's going up, man? How can I make the most money real fast? It's not about short-term gratification. It's about guaranteeing a long-term win.